How to use AT&T FirstNet feature. To use the AT&T FirstNet features, you must first verify your eligibility. Insert a specialized FirstNet eSIM and use a compatible device on the dedicated network. First of all, you need to check the eligibility. So go ahead and launch your device's web browser, tap on that search bar, then search for FirstNet sign up. Once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on it. Then confirm your profession and put your provisioned FirstNet Trio SIM or eSIM card into the FirstNet-certified device. Now complete the activation online at FirstNet activation. Or you can simply call the customer care by opening your device's phone application. Type 1-800-574 and 700. Once you call this number, you should be able to get a hold of customer care and then proceed to activate your account. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.